and today I'm doing a collaboration with Thread Tanks. They have unique apparel with designs that tell stories. I can't wait to get into this unboxing and let you see what I got. And just to let you know, they've given me a discount to give to you. If you order, you will receive 10% off. Just use the code Avery Home Decor 10. So let's see what I got. I actually like this sealed with a heart. So this is their packaging, guys. Alright guys, so here's their card. It's stories you can wear. Oh, and it's just a cute thank you. We're so excited to have you as a part of our threadtank family. We love to align our brand with those who aspire to inspire. Let's take a look at what they got here. And I can tell you right now, the fabric is really soft. So this is the first one. And guys, I love the color. And this one is All I Need Is Coffee and Jesus. Alright, so this one definitely is me. First thing I need in the morning is my coffee. Well, I'll put it right up there with one of the first things in Jesus. Definitely Jesus. So I'm going to definitely take you through the website so you can see the colors. This comes in more than this color. I chose this one. Alright guys, so here is the second one. And I'll actually let you see what these look like on if you're curious as to how they fit. And this is what it looks like. Oh honey, I am that mom. I remember this one because this is definitely my story. I am a kind of a mama bear, especially when it comes to my kids. So this is definitely one I love. This is my story for sure. And guys, before I try these on, let me show you the last one. When you guys go on their website, you're going to see a lot of things, and I'm sure you're going to find multiple shirts that tell your story. So I can't wait for you to go on their website and check them out. And here's one that I got. It's kind of one that you wear off the shoulders or on both shoulders if you like, and it says, "It's too peoply outside." And I love to go shopping at home decor stores, but I still kind of feel like there's a little bit too much going on in the stores, too many people. So this is kind of definitely my story. And guys, let's do the try on and let you see what they look like on. Alright guys, here is shirt number one. Definitely a comfortable fit, true to size. I like my clothes a little baggy. I like the 3/4 length sleeves. I guess you can put them all the way down, but all in all, I say this is a definite yes for me. And let's try on number two. Alright guys, so here's the second t-shirt I wanted to show you on. Again, buttery soft, fits well. In case you're wondering, I wear a size large. I love the extra comfort of having my items that I wear a little bit oversized, and they fit perfect. I mean, they come right below the waist. And I'm going to go ahead and try on shirt number three. Don't forget to visit their website. I'll leave everything in the description box for you. Alright, so here is the one in the color of Heather Rouge. And this is the All I Need Is Coffee and Jesus. I love this shirt. Probably my favorite one. Definitely tells my story. So guys, make sure you go and visit the website and pick out a story of your own. And in case you were wondering, these are colors that I picked. So you have the Heather Rose, the Vintage White, and the Sport Gray. I want to give a special thanks to Thread Tanks for reaching out to me to collaborate with them. I absolutely love the t-shirt. Get that 10% off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.